Welcome to CookTube Ronak. Today in our kitchen we have Pyarey kabab. It's a super easy and quick to make recipe. I've stuffed cheese in one of our kebab and rest I have left plain. So you can try either of them. We'll need boneless chicken, coriander leaves, mint leaves, and some green chilies. We'll grind our chicken in a mixer. We have garam masala, pinch of garam masala, a pinch of black pepper powder and salt. We are adding curd into it. Now we will add our ground chicken into it. One egg. Mix them well. Now set it aside in a refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. After taking it out from refrigerator, we are adding lemon juice into it. Final mixing. Now grease your hand and give your kebab shape of your choice. You can give it a round flat shape or a kebab like shape using skewers. Now fry them. Fry them in a pan or tawa, whichever you like. You can also deep fry it. It's golden brown. It's ready from one side. Fry it from other side too. It's now ready. Please try out my recipe. It's very easy and does not take too much of time. We have our special guest to taste our recipe today. Let's go to our guest. Yeah, here he is. Yes, I think he like it. Yes, he like it. Cheese part. He don't like cheese. He don't like cheese. Yes. He don't like cheese. Please try out my recipe and give me a feedback.